Welcome to Dutch Video Shooter. I'm in the Cinecom office with Yannick, that don't want to be on camera probably, and my vlog is rendering, and we are preparing like for the shoot tomorrow, for the short film, the first shots in the studio, and they prepared it. They built a whole set, so let's check it out. So these are the famous crash stairs. Here we have Jordi.
I'm stuck. I don't know how to get out of here.
You stay here.
Maybe here?
No.
Maybe here? No.
No.
Maybe here?
Good to know you. Yeah, come.
The studio is way too small.
Yeah.
Way too small.
You need an expansion.
Yeah.
You need a studio near Amsterdam, so I can work for you.
That's good. That's good.
So what is happening in the studio right now?
Well, we were a little bit stupid. Instead of like looking for a dark hallway or like a cool basement, we just built one.
I see. Wow. Let's check it out. Jordi.
Yes.
Is it? How can you turn on the lights here?
With remote control.
So you have the remote control? Oh, nice. So this is the hallway, and this window is like into the basement.
Not into the basement, but into something.
Yeah, into some. The windows into something. We have here a door, but what's happening here? They are trying to make a mess here, and there's a door here, but I'm not going to try it because this still set, and I don't want to break it. And nicely painted walls, and here you can see it's a set, of course. And let's go to the basement part. They made a really nice set here. So, what are you dressing up now?
I'm filling up the shelves a bit more.
With a lot of random stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
It looks like a thrift shop. With
That's
some really dangerous stuff here. And old stuff and laptops and televisions and speakers and IKEA lamps. And I really hate them because they break here, they bend. You need to make metal pins here, then you can fix them.
I didn't know that.
And here is some big box with lights and stuff, and the director Eric is also busy, and he is making a mess.
That's right.
What are you throwing around?
A good tip, if you want to make something look older or like it's been sitting around for a long time, concrete powder.
Concrete powder.
Concrete powder just slightly drenched over stuff. A little bit over and over in layers and layers and layers. This looks like something that's been sitting around for far too long.
Nice, good tip.
Thanks, buddy. Another one as well. If you have labels that look too brand new, take tea bags and put them in water, and then take the tea bags out and slice them across.
Oh, that's
It'll
it get brownish.
Gets a nice brown kind of flavor to it, kind of look to it. But yeah, the important thing is don't do big at once. Do over and over and over.
Yeah,
layers
like
and
layers.
Exactly.
Like it live.
Yeah, exactly.
So, and you made here a nice display of some
Fluid.
dangerous fluids and more jars. Does not hold. Urine sample 17. I don't want to know how you made that. And some nice pipings here, and they really took some effort to make a really cool basement. Some cables and oil drums and shelves and stuff. So really awesome. And here all kinds of equipment. Jordi,
Yeah.
you escaped.
Yeah.
How did you do it?
Magic.
Magic.
Yeah, with some editing magic.
Oh, editing magic.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is a one taker.
We had a cut in between.
No, this is a one taker.
One taker.
So
how?
how?
The secret of the magician.
Ah.
Can't tell.
What's the name of this crew member?
Justine. Justine. It's just teen.
Ah. Is this your shiny panel for controlling the big lights?
Yep. No, it's for controlling Janik and Lorenzo.
Oh, okay.
If I do this,
They
you can
dance.
see now Janik working. Now I
Yeah.
turn it off. And you see now he's just talking.
Yeah. Like always.
It's my switch for Janik,
Yeah.
Lorenzo, and this one here is for Victor. See if I turn this one up, it starts working. Go clean, Victor. Go clean.
Oh, clean. I don't. No, it's not working. It's not compatible with Dutch guys. So, what is the plan for the shoot tomorrow?
Basement and the hallway. Gonna be pretty hectic tomorrow because it's a drama short film, and tomorrow we're gonna shoot everything, all the heaviest parts of the short film.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's gonna be really hard.
Most times it's for the filmmakers the most interesting stuff.
Yeah, it is. It is. Yeah.
So, please end my video.
And as always, stay creative.
I can't move it because it's drying, but I can like put it closer.
Yeah.
Something like this. Okay.
Yannick, we did a wonderful one-taker, but we forget something. You are really busy with this mask.
I'm building the mask for the VR scenes. So I built this out of epoxy. I don't know how you call it in English, but I first made it in clay. Then I made a mold of it in silicon. No, never mind. And then I poured epoxy in it. So now you have like this super hard, the won't break mask super hard, unbreakable mask in epoxy with an iron tube on it to give them air underneath the water.
Nice.
I think that was good enough. You
Perfect.
can use some bloopers out of it.
No, just this is also a one-taker.
It's also a one taker.
Yeah, but then 2 one-takers in one video.
Guys, I'm not that good in one takers. I need some repetition and I need to think about my sentences. Look, it's again. Oh, and again.
But you did well.
I did okay.
Thanks, Yannick.
Let's say it's an epoxy mask I made.
Yeah, it's like the Cinecom RAW.
It's like Cinecom RAW.